avenues for that. But let's get back into this, man, because I want to get into the paperwork, because I feel like a lot of folks don't put emphasis on the deal and feel intimidated by these deals. They don't know what's going on and how they work. So you talked a little bit about the steps in those deals. There's the sizzle budget, and then there's the presentation budget, and then the thing gets ordered. You waited 6 months, a year, and you finally get your project ordered. Yep. Now, what did you sign up for? What was that negotiation like? What were the things that were given that you tried to keep? What rights were turned over? What terms? Help us understand what those deals, the anatomy of those deals.
Well, I mean, the first thing you understand is networks nowadays are trying to build their live content library, so they want everything. So, I mean, what you were saying is absolutely true, because the most leverage you have is if you have something that's pre-existing that everybody wants. Right, because then if you take this, if you have a digital podcast and somebody wants to bring it to TV, well, you know what? Because you already have the digital podcast, you've got a ton of leverage of keeping it. Like if you went to a network and pitched it, they'd be like, "Nah, we're gonna keep we're gonna keep the digital. We got the television, we got the future rights, we got any spin-offs and derivatives. Like we get everything." Did
you guys hear that? Big up. So, hold on. We gotta do the pull up for that. Do it. What Sean said was, you have more leverage if you do it yourself and it's pre-existing. When you show up with, "Hey dudes, I got an idea, buy my show," you have little to no leverage unless you are a huge name in the business. So go digital, do it on your own, then bring it to them after it's succeeded, because you'll have a much better chance at getting a competitive deal.
Yep. And if you've developed a base, and especially a following, then it's something that it's something that the network wants. So it's like they're going to be much more flexible on the rights than they would normally. Because normally if somebody comes to me and it's nowhere, I'm like, "You're not going to get no rights. You know that. You might as well just, this is a give over here. Like you're getting a network show. Okay. You should look at it that way."
Okay. Fair enough.